All right.
Hey, this is Ashley from RecPro, and we've got some toggle switches here for you. Now there's a single, double, and a triple toggle switch, and for the single toggle switch, it's RP1043, and then for the double, it's RP1044, then for the triple, it's RP1045. So these are 20 amps, 13.5 volts. They're made in America, which is great, and the dimensions for them are all different, obviously. So the single toggle switch is 1 3/4 by 2.5 inches. Then the double is 2.5 by 2.5 inches. And then the triple is 3 1/4 by 2.5 inches. So these work great with our RecPro heating pads. And they also have a LED indicator on them, which means even if it's dark outside or you're like, across the RV and you don't want to walk over to check on them because you're watching a TV show, you can just check to see if the light is on. It's easy to see. All right, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.